and welcome back to my channel. So first things first, if you haven't noticed, we're in yet a different location. We are now currently in my bedroom, which is not the permanent location. Oh, anyways, that is not the point of today's video. The point of today's video is to review the Cetephil Double Effect Cleanser. This is my first review ever, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And before we get into the video, make sure to take a moment, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video, which is now Sunday and Tuesday. Sunday is makeup tutorial day, Tuesday is product review day. So without further ado, let's get started. So the product I will be reviewing today is the Cetephil Double Effect Cleanser, and it just looks like this. I have a cute little teeny tiny travel size one. I received this one in my most recent Ipsy Glam bag that I opened, and as you guys know from the last video, I moved. I don't know where a lot, or my makeup is, I know where it is, but I just don't know where my, like, I don't have my organizational things in place to set it up yet. So it's still just living in boxes, and this is what we're working with. So how I'm gonna do this is we're going to take a little field trip to my bathroom. I'm going to try it on my face, and I'm going to talk about my feelings about it while I'm doing it. And then afterwards, we're gonna come back here, and I am going to give you my final thoughts on it, and if I recommend it or if I don't, or who I recommend it for, etc, etc. So when we come back is going to be the more formal part of the review, I guess. So let's just go to my bathroom. Welcome to my bathroom. So I guess let's just get into this. So I have my facial cleanser, and I have a nice fluffy washcloth. So this is obviously a normal face wash, so you would wash your face how you would wash your face with any face wash. Wet your face, put put face cleanser on, I guess, damp hands since they're already damp. Massage it onto your face, and then obviously rinse it off. It's not anything special. For whenever I wet my face, obviously warm water is better to use than cold water because it's less harsh on your skin. So here we go with the facial cleanser. So when you open it up, mine, like I said before, is just a little travel size one. Because I received it in my glam bag because that's why I'm able to do videos, because I'm just doing stuff out of there right now. So it just comes in this little travel thingy. I did already take off the lid, and then just dump it. And I'm doing like 3 drops, just because you can't obviously really squeeze it. That may have actually been too much. I probably could do some 1 or 2, but anyway. Just rub it in, and then I massage it all onto my face. And as I'm doing this, it smells good. It smells to me kind of like Dove soap, believe it or not. It's really gentle on your skin. I actually used to use, fun fact, I used to use Cetephil when I first started to get into skincare. Because it is so gentle on your skin. So it's definitely gentle on your skin. You know, I probably should do this, but I never really like leave my face washes on for a while. I usually just like put them on and rinse them off, so I never really get an idea of how they feel. But since I'm blabbing to you guys about my thoughts, I'm noticing as staying on my skin that it's almost getting a little bit sticky in a way, which I mean isn't bad. You're obviously not necessarily supposed to leave face wash on your skin for a long period of time, but just be wary of that as you're using it, that if you don't wash it off immediately, it just starts to feel kind of just sticky on your skin. So I am going to wash it off. stay tuned for the outro portion of my video to hear a more organized train of thought on what I think of this facial cleanser. Welcome back to my messy bedroom. So, final thoughts on this product. Overall, I do think that this is a good product. I think that it is especially good for people with really, really dry skin. I am one of those people. I also think it's good for if you are like middle school age, like 12, 13 or so, and you're just starting to get into makeup and skincare because it is so gentle. And since that skin is so, I guess, young, you don't necessarily want something really heavy duty and harsh on it. So this is a great facial cleanser for that. I actually used another, like, I think it was like their gentle facial cleanser or something like that by Cetephil when I was first starting to get into skincare, believe it or not. So I am very familiar with Cetaphil, but it is just so gentle and my face does feel soft after, which is good. I will continue to use this, especially since I don't know where my other facial cleansers are, but I will continue to use this even on mostly on days that I don't have makeup on. I don't necessarily see myself buying it in the full size. I prefer something that's a little bit harsher to take off my makeup because sometimes I don't necessarily get it all off with the makeup remover because after a while those sting my face really bad. So no matter what brand, I tried lots of brands, they just sting my face really bad. So I mostly rely on a face wash to get my makeup off, and I don't think that this will be it. Overall, good product. It just depends on if you don't have makeup or if you just have really dry or young, delicate skin. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoyed my review, my first review in a very long time. I'm sure I feel like I've done some in the past, I could be wrong. The Cetephil Double Effect Cleanser. Bear with me, like I said, still trying to get settled in, still trying to find everything, so we're just gonna have some crazy filming here still. And I will see you all for the next tutorial on Sunday. Thanks for watching. Bye.